scared of having a tornado.
Well, I'm bringing it to his home. Thomas needs my truck.
If y'all can hear the tornado warning,
Thomas needs what?
My truck, and I don't think I'll be able to go to sleep soon.
I don't want a tornado.
Other? Or
I want a tornado, but not
Sure.
for real though. I'm gonna make.
I
It was
got
a-
you one.
It's a passion.
Look, I
Passion
started to
should've
test
been
on it, and I
real.
remember why I do that shit.
Your next
I
payday
paid
is
for
next
a
week.
storm to go away, and
Huh?
after
Your next
a
payday
few
is next
minutes,
week,
it
right?
went away.
I did not be sure what you just said.
But my
I'll talk to you
passion
when I
wants
get
a
home. Let me call
tornado.
Ma. I ain't talked to her in 2 days.
But
All
your
right.
tornado's
Alright.
happening. That's how I'm scared. That's why if y'all in Iowa, be careful. Hide in your basements. And
We're in Minnesota.
no, we're in Iowa
This
now.
is Minnesota.
Iowa now.
Yeah.